Hi guys, today you're gonna see how I achieve this antique vase look. You know, sometimes you leave your vase out there on your patio or anywhere that it's exposed to the sunlight for very long, and it just starts to look brassy and old and whatnot. So today I attempted on getting this antique vase look out of cocoa powder, chocolate powder, and so forth, and coffee and so many things, and I had a great time. Make sure you are on the outside because it is messy, but it was so worth it. Let me know what you think on the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe here on the red button. Just do a little click, that's it. Don't forget to share as well, and follow me on my Instagram account, Anna's House DIY, for more details, more pictures, and whatever's coming up. So anyways, enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.